Okay, I've been buying boxes of chocolate from international areas from around the world. This one is from British. Um, this is British chocolate. They give you 11 pieces of chocolate, and so far I'm gonna try this piece of thin one here, and it's caramel and chocolate together. Oh, oh, that's horrible. It didn't taste like caramel, and it tasted like a tint of chocolate, but not so good. But I'm gonna try this one here. It looks like it's got, you know, like peanuts, chocolate, all a bunch of nuts, stuff like that. Oh, what the hell, man? Oh, that's horrible. All right, two things down. Ugh, Minkia. Wow. All right, so obviously those don't taste good. Let's try this thing right here. Wait, what's this? They're all the same kind of. Let's try this one. Let's give this one a try right here. It's a thick candy bar. It's just all chocolate. Kind of heavy. Nope. Nope. That's horrible. You're good. You're good. Nasty. I'm not even gonna try anymore. I've already tried 4 candy bars. None of them tasted like chocolate. Just a tint of chocolate, but a flavor goes away. The caramel is really hard. It doesn't even taste like caramel. I don't even know if it is caramel. It looks like caramel. I don't know. It's like got some weird, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the British chocolate, so I don't think it's worth $15 to me, and you get 11 pieces. So let me know in the comments if you get any chocolate anywhere in the world. Let me know where you get it from. Stay tuned for some other ones. Check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe.